Hi, to fix phone call issues on your Poco F6, as a first step, make sure that features as Do Not Disturb mode and airplane modes are disabled, because if they are on, then you won't be able to receive notifications and calls. So to check it, the most convenient way, just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and here if you can see this plane icon and moon icon which are blue, then they are enabled. So to disable them, just simply tap on it like that, and now those features are off and you can see that Wi-Fi, quick share and Bluetooth immediately enables. Now, if something is lagging, for example, and you can't reach the control center, you can do it through the settings as well. Just open it, go in more connectivity options, and here you'll find airplane mode and Do Not Disturb mode as well, so disable them. And after that, go in the mobile networks, then select your SIM card here and make sure that this feature Make Calls Using Wi-Fi is disabled. While this feature is usually improve call quality, it can sometimes interfere with call reception, so just tap it to disable. And the last advice, which is really helpful, just restart your phone. I know this is a basic advice, but usually restarting your phone is really a helpful method to solve all of the problems. And for that, just press the power button and volume up buttons till you see this power off menu and swipe down to reboot the phone. It will just turn off and in a couple of seconds it will turn on again. You'll see the Poco's logo and you will be able to use your phone like you would normally do. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.